Life can be hectic, and sometimes we just need a moment to unwind, heal, or boost our energy. What better way to do that than with a soothing cup of homemade herbal tea? In today's video, we'll explore 10 DIY herbal teas that not only taste amazing, but are also packed with benefits for stress relief, digestion, and immunity. Let's dive in. First on our list is chamomile and lavender tea for stress relief. Chamomile's calming properties, paired with the relaxing aroma of lavender, make this tea perfect for winding down after a long day. Steep dried chamomile flowers and lavender buds in hot water, and enjoy a cup of calm. Next, we have peppermint and ginger tea for digestion. Peppermint soothes an upset stomach, while ginger stimulates digestion and reduces bloating. Combine fresh ginger slices and peppermint leaves in hot water and sip your way to a happier gut. For a powerful immunity booster, try turmeric and lemon tea. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties, combined with vitamin C from lemon, create a golden blend that strengthens your immune system. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance turmeric's absorption. Need to relax even further? Lemon balm tea is a fantastic choice for reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of calm. Brew fresh or dried lemon balm leaves for a light and refreshing tea that soothes your mind. For a digestive aid that also tastes incredible, go for fennel and licorice root tea. Fennel eases bloating and indigestion, while licorice root has natural soothing properties for the digestive tract. This tea is especially comforting after heavy meals. Boost your energy with green tea and matcha blend. Rich in antioxidants and natural caffeine, this tea provides a gentle energy lift without the jitters. Whisk matcha powder into hot water and add a splash of green tea for a nutrient-packed boost. For those battling a cold, elderberry and echinacea tea is a lifesaver. Elderberries are rich in antioxidants, and echinacea supports your immune system. Brew dried elderberries and echinacea leaves for a tea that helps you recover faster. If you're looking for something unique, try rose and hibiscus tea. This floral blend is not only beautiful, but also rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, promoting overall health and vitality. It's slightly tart and incredibly refreshing. For stress and better sleep, turn to valerian root tea. Valerian root has been used for centuries to combat insomnia and anxiety. Steep the root in hot water before bed for a peaceful night's rest. Finally, we have cinnamon and clove tea, perfect for boosting circulation and warming your body. This spicy blend is also great for reducing inflammation and supporting digestion. It's a winter favorite that doubles as a natural remedy. From calming chamomile to powerful turmeric, these 10 DIY herbal teas are easy to make and offer incredible health benefits. Whether you're looking to de-stress, improve digestion, or boost your immunity, there's a tea for every need. Which tea are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Burn and Balance for more natural health tips and remedies. Here's to sipping your way to better health.